Okay, Landon's gonna sit on it. Go ahead, Landon. You like the chair?
Yes.
It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Very comfortable.
It is comfortable.
Wow, if you guys notice, this chair could actually hold me, and I'm about 200 something pounds, you know, not bad. So we're gonna see, I'm gonna put it to a test at the park today and see what people think about it, all right? Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we brought a portable chair for the park. If you guys notice, we are at the park right now. We're gonna set up this little tiny chair here in this place right now. So look how small it is compared. Look at it. He's holding it right now, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see what you get when you purchase this. So let's go ahead and open up. Look how small it is. It's a very portable, little portable, easy to set up. So you could put that in the floor. Is there anything in there? Yeah, you get a little clip here, so you can hang it on your backpack. So that little bag that we have in there, you clip it to your backpack if you're gonna do a trail walk or you're going somewhere else. Look how simple it is, right? So he's gonna clip it up together, and that's pretty much the chair. It's a Velcro tape on it. You transform the whole thing, just piece by piece, put it together. Okay, that's not bad. All right, so the chair part of it. Oh, I see. See, the four legs go in the floor. Spin it around. The four legs right there. There you go. Then we set up the last part. So not that bad. You set up the whole chair itself. Make sure the legs are down on the floor. And look how easy it is to set up, all right? Find the little hooks on the back. One there. Stretch it out, one there. Stretch the other one in there, and there, it's good. There we go. Look at that, guys. And he's gonna try it out. Comfortable chair. So there you have it. Very simple, easy to set up. We'll go all around so you guys can see a 360 of how it looks like. We're gonna set up here in the park. We're gonna have people sit on it and test it out. Look at this, guys. A day in the park. You sit on your chairs, very comfortable. It's all enforced aluminum, all base, very strong. In fact, they give you an extra leg so you could sit on it. Look at that, standing up, nothing happens. Very comfortable.
Oh shit! No camo. No camo. No que. Oh my god, you do feel like it's really. ¿Te da masaje? No. Ah, I think I like it.
Y cabe aquí, and all fits in this little bag here.
I like it to carry for my RV.
And you put it on the clip. You put it on the clip here. You put this clip here, and you carry it around.
Let me see, Frank.
Just take it apart. Look how fast it is to take it apart, guys. All right. So first of all, you kind of have to find out exactly how to unhook it. All right. And there, go ahead and hook it. Push it up. There you go. That's one end. That's another end. That's it, and that's it. You take it apart, and then what happens to those things? And give him the bag. Oh yeah, you have to tie him up first. That's true. And that's it. Perfect for traveling, perfect for going out to the park, perfect for anything. If you're gonna go camping, this is a perfect thing to carry around. Doesn't take a lot of space. Very strong reinforced metal. And as you can see, he's putting it back together. zipping it everything back. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. So if you guys have any questions, any comments, I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.